Mr. Paul Green, morning and welcome.
Hello, good morning.
Thank you again. Fine to have you. Paul Green
Thanks for having me.
A global positioning system navigation specialist. What can you tell us about this morning?
Well, GIS is a system for storing, gathering, and manipulating spatial data. And with that, you can have a number of uses for crime modeling and analysis, hazard analysis, for site suitability analysis, all sorts of things, including web mapping. But interestingly, at Mona Geoinformatics Institute, certainly our flagship product right now is GPS navigation.
That's
and with GPS, we have a number of satellites that are orbiting the Earth that emit precise signals that will enable a GPS receiver to determine its current location, the time where it is, and the velocity and the direction in which you are traveling.
Okay, tell us how this can practically or is practically used in Jamaica. What are the options, the possibilities, the economic advantages, Paul Green?
So there are a number of companies that put GPS receivers in their gadgets. Phone companies put GPS receivers in them, and there are dedicated navigation devices that come with GPS receivers in them. Some mapping units also come with GPS receivers. So a mapping unit with a GPS receiver would be used for just that, mapping things out there and bringing the data into office and then analyzing it for a particular end result. What we are using GPS for is for navigation. So we have created JAMNAV. JAMNAV is a GPS navigation map data that has been created by Mona Geoinformatics Institute that enables the user to arrive at a final destination from any initial location via street-level, turn-by-turn, voice-assisted directions.
So wait now, I can be in my car and I'm heading to Williamsfield in Westmoreland and I'm not sure quite where you turn off at Amity Cross, and I can have something in my car that actually tells me by voice when to turn left and turn right and how to get to Hartford and beyond?
That is correct. The user gets automatic, timely voice instructions, map illustrations, and alert tones, all of which assist the user in arriving at any desired location. And this is a first for Jamaica. This is the first street-level voice-assisted GPS navigation map for the Caribbean. So that's quite significant. And Mona Geoinformatics Institute is quite proud that it is able to bring this type of first-world cutting-edge technology to Jamaica and Jamaicans, and indeed to anyone, anywhere in the world who wishes to utilize the data.
You sound like you have a right to, Paul Green. Can this coordinate delivery schedules, track the presence of police patrol cars, all of these things? Any of them? Sure.
What JAMNAV has, Ronnie, is 15,000 named locations in the system that people can navigate to.
Yeah.
It also has 15,000 kilometers of roads. And as such, no one is excluded from the use of this system. A regular person can use it, a tourist can use it, any local in Jamaica can use it, delivery service companies can use it, and it has practical applications for security. Now, as it relates to tracking companies, currently you have the base, the field team, and the client. The base knows where the client is. The base also knows where the field team is, but field team does not know how to get the client. So the base has to relay instructions over the phone or whichever means they use to the field team to direct the field team how to get to the client.
Yes.
With a JAMNAV, the field team can automatically know where to go, which turns to make, without being told these instructions over the phone or without making a wrong turn, so that you can respond as appropriately and as quickly as possible. The police, for example, the digital forensics unit currently has JAMNAV, and they can use it for a wide range of applications in tandem with a number of our mobile services providers. If someone has been abducted, for example, the unit can enter the coordinates of that location and take the police or whatever response team straight to the victim. Because remember, the roads are there, you're getting your turn-by-turn directions to that place where that victim is.
But then all of this should endure much better security, Paul Green.
That is correct, and improve operations.
Sure. How widely is it used? It should save fuel, people's time, all things. Is the technology very expensive?
Not very expensive. The data costs $115. Remember, we are data providers.
Yeah.
If it is that you don't have a unit, that's a Garmin navigation unit, you can purchase both unit plus data from us. The units have a wide range of costs depending on the functionality you want. And I want to spend a little time on the functionalities of these units.
Tell me what you mean.
These units are like phones running. You know, you have very low-end phones, medium-end phones, and very high-end phones.
Right.
Similarly, these units range from very low-end to medium-end to high-end. You have